My name is Michaela. I'm the designer for OneStop Kitchen Bath, Falls Church location. We are a design build firm, so we offer services for remodeling for residential and sometimes even commercial. This entails us kind of going to a client's home, taking measurements of the space, generating a design and talking through their different needs and wants for their kitchen. We present a quote for material and labor to kind of make it happen, make it come to life. So we are in Gainesville in this beautiful home. We're going to be looking at the kitchen as well as the primary bath. There's a couple different concerns that the client had for their space, a few being functionality, aesthetic, and just overall didn't fit their lifestyle. So the first step is kind of going over the concerns that I briefly just touched on, and then we kind of bounce ideas back and forth of what works best for their lifestyle and kind of what their ideal kitchen would be like. So they had, kind of like the standard oak cabinets, that dark wood with the black granite. So kind of very, very builder grade and kind of outdated for 2024. So they kind of wanted to give it a modern touch, but also be timeless as well. So again, touching on the timeless kitchen, kind of just going for that white with the full height backsplash and maximizing their storage functionality of the space. We expanded the island as well as added more pantry space as well. We moved the laundry from the main level to upstairs to assist in their day-to-day living and turned the laundry into a butler's pantry. This maximized their functionality for this space, especially because it's attached to the garage. So when they come back from grocery shopping or those Costco hauls, they can just kind of throw everything into the butler's pantry and get organized. We try to work closely during design with the client every step of the way. So that way when we're in project, the construction can go smoothly and we can be in and out of the home as fast as we can. They were very happy. It was a huge transformation. So they're very pleased with the outcome. Who wouldn't want to have this kitchen? So you can reach out to us by giving us a phone call. You spend every day working in the kitchen, whether it be, making a quick coffee or baking cookies with your kids or making, a Thanksgiving or holiday meal. So definitely it can be an emotional time, especially because clients sometimes get used to functioning in their kitchen the way they have been doing it for the past 10, 20 years. So it can be hard to sometimes let go of the way that you work in this space. But it's about, kind of maximizing the functionality and also creating an aesthetic that will last 20, 30 years. So in this primary bath, what we've done is remove the deck mount tub and go ahead and opt for a freestanding tub. We still left it in the corner, so it's caddied, and the shower also stayed in the same location. However, instead of doing a custom shower door, what we've done is the Florco corner unit, but you still get that kind of sliding door mechanism. However, it's non-custom. So it has a return panel. And another thing that's from Florco is the tub as well, and the LED mirrors. Florco offers a lot of different accessories and products for your bathroom. And so you can kind of just get it in one package. What we've done is use the Decovita sugar effect on the floor. So you still get kind of some gloss, but you don't have to worry about it being a fall hazard or a slip hazard because it does have that granulation in the tile. So it aids in kind of assisting in not slipping. And then we have the Decovita polished on the walls. And we've brought in the gold accents with the faucets, the shower trim, as well as the hardware to kind of complete the whole suite.